Gabriel Boric won the Chilean presidential election on Sunday. The left-leaning candidate defeated his right-wing rival José Antonio Cast by more than 10 points. The 35-year-old became the youngest president-elect in Chile's history. Cast congratulated his opponent on Twitter. In a phone call with Boric, outgoing President Sebastián Pinera said that more than 8 million people voted in the election, one of the highest numbers in the country's history. He said he is sure Boric will deliver the best of himself.
Y siento que nuestro proyecto es heredero de una larga trayectoria histórica, la de quienes desde diferentes posiciones han buscado incansablemente la justicia, la ampliación de la democracia, la defensa de los derechos humanos, la protección de las libertades. Esa es mi familia grande a la que me gustaría ver de nuevo reunida en esta etapa que hoy día iniciamos, porque estamos ante un cambio de ciclo histórico y no lo podemos desaprovechar.
Boric is a deputy from the southern region of Magallanes. He is the candidate of Approved Dignity, a left-wing coalition that includes the Broad Front Coalition and the Communist Party of Chile.